Whenever you decide to start your own dropshipping business, there are countless issues which will come along your way, and few of them can be how to design your store, where to find winning products, how to market your store, and even how to find suppliers. I am in this industry from past 10 years and I can share my own experience I have gained along the way. Now, first I will discuss basic dropshipping model, and then I will come to the most important part, which is how you can find winning products. I have also mentioned the chapters in description in any case if you want to skip any part or if you would like to jump to any specific topic. Now if you are a beginner, let me explain it to you how this dropshipping business model actually works. Now let's say I am looking to buy that mouse, and what I will do, I will visit local shops near me to find that product. And if I don't have access to local shops near me or I am unable to find this product on those stores, what I will do, I will try to find that product online. When I will visit different stores online, there will be few options which will pop up while I search on Google or social media. The first ones will be suppliers, and these are the ones who are doing B2B business. That means they are only selling to other businesses who are looking to buy those products on wholesale, and they are not selling to any consumer or customers. And second category of sellers will be retailers, and these are the ones who are buying products from suppliers or wholesaler, and they do mostly have the stock. And third ones which I will find online will be drop shippers. And these are the ones who will buy products from retailers or overseas suppliers. Now this is how dropshipping model actually works. Like they don't keep the stock and they ship the product directly from supplier to customer when they get the order. So in this way they get rid from the hassle of keeping the inventory or managing the warehouse to ship the orders. Now these dropshippers actually sell those products which are harder to find in the local market and from the retailers. And there are thousands of products like that which are equally popular, and they can even get the bigger sale if they are trending ones. So basically this business model has three steps. First one is to find winning products and supplier, and second is to create a store, and then you have to market your store to generate sales. So I am going to create a series of 3 to 4 videos so that you can learn step by step, and you can subscribe to my channel to get notified about the upcoming videos. Now in this video we will learn how to use AI to find winning products and suppliers. So first we will find what is trending in the market and which products has the demand. And it is hard for customers to find their product from local retailers in the market. And Sell the Trend is the best software which you can use to find those winning products, and I have been using that from quite a long time because this software is all-in-one for dropshippers, and if you are using Shopify or WooCommerce, you can use this tool as well. So what is basically a winning product and how we can identify that specific product can be a winner? So there are 3 major factors which you have to keep in mind while you are looking for products. The first one is product should not be oversaturated. That means if a product has great reviews and it is trending well, that does not mean it will sell well on your store. Because you have to look how many suppliers are already selling this product, and in that way you will be able to check the competition. And second is your product should not be overpriced. Because if your product is overpriced, you will hardly make any sales, and what you can do best is you can add something valuable with your product. That is a third point in product selection. You have to add something valuable with your product. For example, you can offer gift packaging, you can offer monogram, you can offer engravings, or even you can offer customization with your product as well. Okay, so let me share my laptop screen and I will show you how this platform actually works to find winning products. So here is the dashboard which you will get once you complete sign up. And for those who want to connect Shopify or WooCommerce, you can do it by going into Manage section on the left side. Simply open the Manage section and then go into Connections. So here you will be able to connect your existing Shopify store or WooCommerce store. But if you are just starting out, you can use this all-in-one platform without signing up for Shopify or other softwares. And here you will get all the necessary tools. For example, you can connect your own custom domain by going into Domain section. And you can also attach different payment gateways like Stripe and PayPal. And then you will also get the option to customize your store by going into Theme section, and you will get the plenty of theme options, which I will explain in my next video how you can build and customize your own store using Sell the Trend. Now in connection, you can also connect your AliExpress or CJ Dropshipping account. As I have already connected my AliExpress account, you can see here it is connected. Now let me go back to dashboard section, and before I explain how to find winning products using product section, let me first explain to you few more settings about your store, because these are the necessary once you will start adding products to your store. So when I go into settings, you can see we have the general settings. That's mean you can also choose different email alerts regarding your store, and you can also enter your business address as well. And then we have the automation section, which will give you an option to publish products automatically on your store. And then you can also enable the tracking option to fulfill your orders automatically once your supplier is going to ship your orders. And as I told you earlier, you can connect your own AliExpress account and all of your orders you can pay in a one go. And once they will be shipped, their tracking will be sent to all the customers automatically individually on their email addresses. And then we have the pricing rule section where you can adjust the price rule according to your margins. And this gives you an option to set the rule for compared price as well. And at the end, we have shipping and supplier section. In shipping section, you can set order tracking email alerts, and in supplier section, you can put a override phone number if your customer is not going to provide one. This phone number will be replaced on AliExpress. Now, this is the important part because if your customer has not provided a phone number while placing the order, you cannot place order on AliExpress because AliExpress asks you to put the phone number. Now I will show you how to find winning products using this AI tool and how you can push them to your store. So when you will go into product section, you can see we have the Nexus, which is a powerful AI tool to find winning products. Then we have the marketplace section where you can find winning products on Amazon, AliExpress or CJ Dropshipping. And then we have the e-commerce store section, which is the most important section and which will help you to find winning products on different stores which are already selling. And you can also use this section to track any store through URL as well. And at the end, we have the TikTok section, and it will automate your process to find winning products on TikTok through AI. Because TikTok is most famous for organic content, and you can use TikTok to send free traffic to your website. Now let me explain to you how you can make the best use of this AI tool. So first on the top, you can see we have the filter to explore products. And by using this filter, you can also find products which ships from different countries. And it also has category section where you will be able to find products in which you are interested. And there are a lot of other options, like you can also filter which product has a video, so you don't have to create ones by yourself. Because better creatives of your products can help you to generate more sales. Now you can see it is showing different stats of products. For example, how many stores are already selling those and how much sales and orders they are getting in real time. Let's say if I want to check the stats of this product, and when I open it, you can see it has got too many orders, and you can see the product cost, and you can also check the selling price. Now this tool will also give you suppliers of this product as well. Let me show you how you can find suppliers so you don't need to explore or go on different platforms to find those suppliers. You will simply go to the supplier section and you will see all of the suppliers which are selling this product. And you can also see all of the different sections which are most important key features for product hunting. Like you can check the product rating and you can check how many sellers are selling this product. You can also check total sales and number of suppliers who have this product. And even you can also check the ads for this product as well. For example, you can check Facebook ads and can see their creatives by going into Facebook ads library. So it will take you to Facebook ads library directly from here, and you can also check it on Amazon as well. And this tool will also show you a chart where you will be able to see orders, pricing, reviews in past few days or few months. And you can also use this tool to check the product competition, and it will show you a graph whether product has a low competition or it has a higher competition. Low competition mean there are less sellers who are selling this product, and higher competition mean there are more sellers who are selling this product and you will hardly make any sales. And at the end, you can check the stores which are selling, and you can also check the suppliers as I told you earlier. And if you need help with Facebook ads, they also do have a feature to recommend targeting or interest for your Facebook ads. Now, once you have decided to sell a product, and if you want to push any product to your store, you can simply go into Add to Store section. And here you will be able to see all the stores which are selling this product. Now, this tool will also help you to generate your own product title and description using AI. You can simply go here in AI section and then you can generate your own title and description. But you can also choose a title, description, and images from other stores who are selling this product already. For example, you can select any store and then you can get the title idea, and you can also adjust the title according to your requirement. And then you can also write your own product description if you want, and you can also make changes to the description you have selected from different stores. And then there is also an option to choose different images which you want to display on your store. For example, if I like to use this image on my store, I can simply view it in bigger size or I can lock it. And in that way you can log many images from different stores and you can use them on your own store. Now once you have added all of these, you can then adjust the price of your product, and this will suggest you a price based on other sellers. And then you can choose a collection where you want to add your product, and at the end you have an option to select the supplier. So here you can see all the supplier information related to their store. For example, how many stock they do have, what is their store ratings, and you can also contact them if you want to. So this is the section which will help you to choose the supplier of your choice, and you can choose them by checking the reviews and stock of the product. And here you can also check the shipping options they are providing according to your destination country. And here is the option, if you would like to offer different variants to your store, you can also edit them. So any supplier you are going to choose from here, when you will get the order, you simply have to pay that order on AliExpress and it will be shipped automatically by supplier. Now final step is to push that product to your store and it will be published. If you want to use local shipping, you can use that as well. Let me show you. Simply go to local shipping section and choose your preferred country. Let's say I am going to select United States. Now you can see these are all the products which are being shipped from the supplier inside the United States, because local shipping works inside the country. For example, if I select this product and go into supplier and then into shipping section, you can see the product is being shipped inside the United States and supplier will use the UPS to ship the product. And you can see it is free and it will arrive quickly than other dropshipping suppliers. So this is how you can use this tool to find winning products, their suppliers and their stats. And in my next video, I will show you how you can build, customize, attach payment gateways, or even you can attach a custom domain with sell the trend. Make sure to subscribe the channel so that you will get notified once I am going to publish those videos. And I have also created a playlist where you will find all the videos related to this platform in a single place. And if you would like me to make a video on any specific topic, you can also mention in the comment section. So here are the few previous videos on digital products and print on demand, which I will recommend you to watch if you want to get into those business models. And I will see you in my next video.